Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy WorldCoin in Binance. Now, in order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log into your verified account of Binance. Now, once you have successfully logged in order to purchase a WorldCoin, you need to make sure that you have enough USDT in your account. Now, in order to find it, you will have to tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then you need to tap on Spot. In this spot, you are going to see the USDT that you have in your account, and once you have it, then you will have to come to the home page again and then you need to use this search bar in the top. Now in the search bar, you will have to search for WorldCoin and then you need to press search. Once done, you are going to see WLD/USDT pair. So you need to select this pair and then you will be redirected on the chart of WorldCoin. Now over here you are going to see this buy button in the bottom, so you need to tap on buy and then you will be redirected on this buy page where you are going to see the current price of the WorldCoin. So over here you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase WorldCoin, and then it will show you how much WorldCoin you will get if you spend this much amount of USDT. You can even use this slider in order to automatically get the USDT from your account, such as you can keep as 20%, 25% or 50% of your portfolio. Then you will have to tap on this buy WLD option and then your order will be placed and you are going to get your WorldCoin in Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.